Okay, let's duplicate this. There we go. I'm going to put a little bit of white in there. I'll blend that out. And that's looking just the way I want. And from, from the normal viewing distance, basically just looks like the back of his throat, which is what I wanted it to look like. And I think I'm going to put some detail on this tongue. So let me make sure it's my throat layer. Yep. Let's keep everything tidy. I think maybe a little bit of some wrinkles on that tongue would be nice. So let's make a little selection. So we are only painting on the tongue. And I can see in my viewport that I just have that. And let's find one of our wrinkle brushes. Yeah, I think this will be fine. Shrink it down a little bit. And I think I'll make it with black, not white. Yeah, good enough. Alright, there's the inside of our palette. And I think I'm going to bring a little bit of highlight on the top of the upper palette. So let's select our throat layer. Where's our palette layer? There we go. Use white, and let's just use a normal brush. Alright, and I'll start smudging those a little bit. Alright, I can see in my 3D view that's looking just the way I want it. And I think I'm going to bring my opacity down on this layer so I can bring out some of the detail of that background pattern. There we go. In fact, let me see, where is the other side? Okay, let me, before I do that, let's merge that down. Let's try that again. There we go. That is just what we're looking for. And I think I will also bring down the opacity on my gum dents. just enough so we still have the detail of that background pattern showing through. Alright, so I've got it pretty much covered. Right now I'm going to just go through and kind of do some details before I collapse all these layers down. And I'm noticing that the white on here is a little bit much, so I think I'm going to let's see, is this my horns layer? Yep, there we go. I'm going to make that white there a little bit mellower. Where are those guys? There we go. Let's see if our burn tool would do what we want. There we go. Let's crank it up a little bit. There we go, a little bit mellower. And I think I will also bring down the opacity on this whole layer. And I also think these fins are a little bit dark. Let's bring down the opacity on that too. There we go. That's looking a little nicer. Okay, we pretty much got every place filled. Now before we start fixing some of these seams, I'm going to just collapse all of these layers down to a single layer, and that'll make it a little bit easier to use our cloning brush. So what I'll do is go to the top and just go flatten layers. Now let's go into our seams and we'll fix that up a little bit. All right. There we go. Let's get me what I want. Do the same over here. All right, I'm happy with that. Let's actually reselect. There we go. All right, I'm happy with this.